Oh my God. Jesus Christ. More delicious. I forget to like better. Like, it's like better. Okay, this is what was behind the, what's behind the oven. I think they're starting to make like a major shape. That's why they get to sting me, you know? Oh gee, I guess I'm not sticking around here too long, huh? Do you blame me? Holy crap. So you're following me? Okay. How many more gallons does it take to screw it? But you know, there's a ton of difference. I gotta get sucked into it, you know? I don't like being so close to that. I think there's something there, don't you? Jesus. I don't know if this is filming. Oh gosh. Maybe I didn't need this camera after all because I was sort of frightened before, you know? So I'm really frightened, so that's great. You see all the shadows softly going. Now, do I really want to know how many are in the window? What do you think? And how many are just hanging out really close to bed? Oh, good. The secretary is that I told. I'm very unhappy. What is that sitting on? It's sitting on the second shelf. Practically invisible. Yeah. There's like two. I'm so not happy about this. Alright, little by little, piece by piece. Little by little, piece by piece. Little by little. Where do you put your purse these days? My God. I guess anywhere you go, they're going to be like, you know, subject to whatever's available. I don't even want to know what's in my shampoos and conditioners, right? Oh, gosh. Oh, dear. Dear. Oh, gosh. Oh. Let's see, anything else. Now, what's in the bed? What do you think is in the bed, Fred? Well, wait, this is clean, you know? I washed this. What's their point to washing it? They just like cut